Yeah. Then coming to the programming language. So what and all we will use in programming language? See, mainly we will use the in AUTOSAR C. If adapt to AUTOSAR, mostly we'll focus on the C++. Assembling language is used for whatever the low level drivers we need to do it. That time we will use the assembling language, and Python or micro Python we will using for the scripting languages. Like if you want to test write any script for test automation, then we will go for the Python. And Java we you write, it's like a user interface purpose, we will you go for the Java. When it comes to the Rust language, right? So when it comes to the safety and faster actions is required, then Rust language will comes into which. This Rust is recent days only it is populating, but before and all nowadays is booming is C++, C language. I think everyone is aware of C and C++, at least any one of them, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
C or C++.
Both I can say.
Yeah, that's great. Others? Why? Because while running the any controller, right, you should be aware of syntax, you should be aware of requirements. So how the requirement is converted to code wise, you should know the C language at least. Otherwise if you put in C++ also, that is also fine. I feel everyone is aware of C or C++,